Basketballs are the core of the game, from neighborhood playgrounds to the hardwood courts of the NBA. But have you ever considered the construction of these famous spheres? Come explore with us the laborious process of building a basketball right inside the facility. Every basketball begins with the inner bladder or core. This component provides the ball with the proper bounce while also ensuring air retention. The inner bladder is made with quality butyl rubber, which is noted for its exceptional air retention properties. The rubber is treated with proprietary chemicals to increase its suppleness and durability. After treatment, the rubber is rolled into thin sheets and fed into machinery to cut and shape it into spherical forms. Maintaining the ball's equilibrium requires the rubber to become homogeneous in thickness. Hence, heat and pressure are used during molding. The air filter tube is then inserted via a tiny hole in a precision-made valve. This valve is designed to halt leaks even under heavy use. Following assembly, the bladder is inflated to normal pressure and tested for air retention over 24 hours. Sensors detect any air loss or irregularities during this period, ensuring that only bladders with excellent seals proceed to the next stage. In addition to air retention, the structure and composition of the bladder have a significant impact on basketball performance. Engineers painstakingly design the bladder to evenly distribute air pressure, ensuring consistent bounce and control. Extra layers of fine rubber coating may be applied to the professional-grade basketballs to strengthen the bladder, enhancing longevity and improving their ability to retain shape over time. This upgraded design ensures that the ball remains responsive, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor use, as well as being resistant to heavy impact play. These important technological advances demonstrate the accuracy required to please gamers of all shades. Although the bladder includes air, it lacks the structural stability and optimal stage required for a basketball. To achieve this, the bladder undergoes a painful wrapping process. The bladder is linked to the spinning motor and surrounded by tightly coiled polyester or high-strength nylon threads. These threads, which are arranged in a crisscross pattern, create a faultless sphere shape and evenly distribute pressure. This technique ensures durability and form retention during strenuous gameplay, as well as strengthening the bladder. Advanced technology automatically adapts to maintain accuracy, thereby managing the tension and pattern of winding. After winding, the reinforced bladder is examined for consistency and balance to ensure it meets the high-performance parameters. The thread's perfectly calibrated tensile strength and flexibility allow the bladder to retain its bounce and withstand repeated impacts, yielding the best results. Professional-grade basketballs use advanced materials such as polyester blends to increase strength and retain resistance. The crisscross winding also decreases the possibility of deformation under high-pressure conditions, ensuring that the ball remains spherical even during heavy play. Once the winding is complete, the bladders are covered with a tiny adhesive layer, which helps the thread stay in place and provides optimum surface for later attachment of the exterior panels. Whether on a playground or on a professional court, this intricate procedure ensures that every basketball is designed to perform consistently. The exterior cover of the basketball combines performance and design. This layer not only determines the appearance of the ball, but it also provides the necessary grip and durability for the game. The basketball's intended purpose dictates the type of material used for the outside cover. High-end basketballs, which are often made of real leather, provide superior grip and feel in the indoor courts. Synthetic composite materials are frequently used for adaptable indoor-outdoor balls, since they require less maintenance and last longer. Outdoor basketballs typically feature rubber covers that are designed to resist rough surfaces. Perfect panel forms produced from huge sheets of the chosen material ensure consistency in size and fit. Before assembly, these pebble-like embossed plates improve grip and give the ball its distinctive appearance. At this time, passageways between the panels are also created to provide better control during dribbling and shooting. Embossing machines accurately press the materials at a temperature and pressure to create millions of small, evenly dispersed bumps over the surface, resulting in a pebble-like pattern. This texture improves player control in both dry and damp settings, as well as grip. Leather basketballs are constructed of a material that is frequently coated with oils or other coatings to ensure longevity and a consistent feel. Synthetic and rubber panels, on the other hand, are painted to match their distinctive orange hue or custom colors for specific designs. After being cut and textured, the panels are inspected for flaws, such as uneven edges or inconsistent patterns. High-quality basketballs require perfect panel alignment to ensure consistent ball performance. Therefore, this preparation stage is critical to the manufacturing process. When the bladder is ready and the outside panels have texture, assembly will begin. This critical stage brings together all the ingredients to form the basketball. Workers begin the assembly procedure by applying a specialty glue to the outside panel edges. The panels are then gently positioned and placed on the wound bladder. High-end equipment helps to ensure an accurate panel fit, keeping balance and symmetry. The panels of luxury leather basketballs are often hand-stitched. Thus, precise workmanship is required to ensure uniformity and longevity. Conversely, synthetic and rubber basketballs are powered by heat and pressure. The assembled ball is placed in a mold and fired to high temperatures. This not only gives a beautiful finish by strengthening the texture and channels, but it also securely attaches the panels to the bladder. During the molding process, the basketball is refrigerated to maintain its shape and ensure long-term durability. After the basketball's framework is complete, it's time for the finishing touches. With logos, brand names, and other visual elements, this stage gives each basketball its distinct personality. The basketballs are delivered to a specialized printing station, where branding and logos are applied using premium decals or foil stamping. This includes professional certifications if applicable, official size, weight marks, and brand logo. Heat pressure ensures that the designs remain permanently adhered to the surface even after intense gameplay. The application's accuracy is critical not only for appearance, but also for ensuring consistent ball weight distribution. Laser etching can be used to achieve an even more precise and long-lasting polish on premium basketballs. Every ball is verified after branding to meet the brand's quality specifications. Before a basketball can reach the court, it must pass a series of rigorous tests to ensure it meets performance standards and durability requirements. Every basketball is dropped from a height of 72 inches and evaluated for bounce. To meet quality criteria, the ball must bounce to a height of 52 to 56 inches, demonstrating good inflation and resilience. Automated equipment also verifies the weight, roundedness, and circumference of the ball to ensure that it complies with regulatory regulations. These exact parameters ensure a consistent ball feel and dependability during gameplay. Inspectors physically search for surface problems such as misaligned panels, weak seams, and uneven texturing. To ensure that they can withstand the demands of play in any climate, Some basketballs are subjected to extreme conditions, such as high-impact simulations and extended temperature exposure. After passing all quality assurance testing, the basketballs are subjected to one final set of inspections before being delivered. This ensures that every ball meets the rigorous standards of players worldwide. Under bright lighting, inspectors examine for cosmetic failures such as uneven seams, mismatched graphics, or surface blips on each basketball. Excess glue around panels or borders is carefully removed to ensure that the ball appears smooth and clean. Once authorized, the basketballs are slightly deflated to make them easier to transport. Each ball is then wrapped in an individual box or protective polythene bags to prevent damage during transport. Packaged balls are placed in cartons, which are hermetically sealed and labeled with the batch number for traceability. Following that, the boxes are stacked on pallets, wrapped for stability, and trucked or shipped to stores, teams, and customers all around the country. As the demand for basketballs grow, so does the necessity for their production to be sustainable. Many firms use environmentally friendly technologies to reduce their impact on the environment while maintaining the highest quality standards. Solar and wind are two sustainable energy sources that are increasingly driving modern basketball manufacturing plants, lowering carbon emissions. Extra rubber, nylon, and leather scraps, as well as other materials, are collected and recycled into new goods or reused, such as flooring. Manufacturers of synthetic basketballs are developing alternatives made from biodegradable or recycled materials that retain their performance properties. Certain businesses also focus on water conservation and use technologies to recycle water used during production processes, such as cleaning and cooling. The industry is striving towards sustainability by merging these principles while still offering high-quality basketballs to athletes all over. Basketball is a cultural emblem that connects players and fans across decades and continents. Not just a piece of athletic equipment, basketball has irrevocably altered the terrain, from the home courts to professional arenas. Basketball has been a global sensation since its inception in 1891. The game has been heavily influenced by the evolution of the basketball itself. Early balls were made of leather pieces sewn together over a rubber bladder, but modern innovations provide better grip, durability, and uniformity for all levels of play. Basketballs have become symbols of inspiration, from young children practicing free throws in neighborhood gyms to professional athletes hitting game-winning shots. Their impact on art, fashion, and music extends beyond the courtroom. Basketballs inspire optimism and memories all across the world, whether they're the iconic orange ball seen in NBA games or bespoke designs for special occasions. A basketball's journey from raw materials to the final bounce is one of precision, craftsmanship, and passion for the game. Every ball is a well-crafted work of art intended to connect fans and athletes from all over. The next time you touch a basketball, think about the incredible process that goes into making it, the innovation, the painstaking attention to detail, and the legacy it holds. It represents teamwork, determination, and the enjoyment of the game, more than just a ball. We appreciate you joining us on this behind-the-scenes tour of basketball manufacturing. Remember to like, subscribe, and click the bell to get more interesting stories about your favorite businesses. Play, dream, and be inspired until next time.